I was born on September 28, 1934, in Paris, France. My name is Brigitte Bardot, and although many people know me as an actress, model, and international symbol of beauty, my life has been about much more than fame. Behind the glamorous photographs and successful films was a woman searching for freedom, independence, and eventually a completely different purpose. I grew up in a well-off Parisian family where discipline and proper behavior were highly valued. As a young girl, I was shy and often lacked confidence. My greatest passion was ballet, and I trained seriously for many years. Dancing taught me discipline, grace, and determination. At the time, I imagined that my future would be on the stage as a dancer rather than in front of a movie camera. Everything changed when I began modeling as a teenager. My photographs appeared in magazines, attracting the attention of filmmakers. Before long, I found myself stepping into the world of cinema. Acting was not something I had carefully planned, but it quickly became my profession. I worked hard to improve my skills, appearing in French films while gradually building my reputation. My international breakthrough came in 1956 with the film And God Created Woman. The movie transformed my life almost overnight. Audiences around the world saw me as a new kind of woman. Confident, sensual, independent, and unwilling to follow traditional expectations. Suddenly, I became one of the most recognized actresses in the world. Journalists followed my every move, photographers surrounded me, and my personal life became a constant topic of public discussion. Although millions admired my image, fame was not always a blessing. I often felt trapped by the expectations placed upon me. Many people focused only on my appearance, overlooking the person behind the headlines. I wanted to be appreciated for my work and my individuality, yet it was difficult to escape the image that the media had created. Living under constant public attention was emotionally exhausting. Throughout my acting career, I appeared in dozens of films alongside many respected actors and directors. I also enjoyed music and recorded numerous songs that became popular in France and beyond. My career allowed me to travel, meet fascinating people, and experience opportunities one could never have imagined as a child. Yet success did not protect me from loneliness, personal struggles, or disappointment. My personal relationships often attracted as much attention as my professional achievements. I married several times, but finding lasting happiness proved difficult. The intense interest of the media made it challenging to maintain a private life. Every decision seemed to become public news, and I sometimes felt that I had lost control over my own story. In 1973, while still at the height of my popularity, I made a decision that surprised many people. At the age of 39, I retired from acting. I no longer wished to live under the pressures of celebrity life. Instead, I turned my attention to a cause that had always been close to my heart, the protection of animals. This new chapter became my life's greatest mission. I established the Brigitte Bardot Foundation, dedicating my time, energy, and resources to defending animals from cruelty and neglect. I traveled, spoke publicly, supported campaigns, and worked tirelessly to improve animal welfare. While my opinions sometimes sparked controversy, I remained committed to speaking for those who could not speak for themselves. Looking back, I see a life divided into two remarkable journeys. The first brought me worldwide fame as an actress and cultural icon. The second gave me a deeper sense of purpose through activism and compassion. I have experienced admiration, criticism, triumph, and hardship, but I have always tried to remain true to my convictions.